Hello and welcome to the Motility Anywhere CRM video. Over the next few minutes, I'll review some of the new features in the program and share a few differences between Motility Anywhere and our remote desktop system. This video will review the messaging module and the CRM module. If you're coming from the remote desktop version, these were both held in the same module. In Motility Anywhere, CRM and messaging are two different modules. From the main menu, select Messaging. This screen shows a list of the messages that you have received in the top box and a reading pane in the lower box. This makes viewing messages quick and easy. Both internal messages between employees and external emails will show here. To the left, note that the Messages option is highlighted, since this is where we start out. In the Messaging Folders section in the lower left, you may view the folders for your messages. If you need to add a new folder, right-click over a folder name. In the Quick Links section, you have the option to add a new message. Another option on the left side of the screen is the Calendar. This opens your own personal calendar as well as any shared calendars. It's faster than ever to add to your calendar in Motility Anywhere. Simply double-click on the day you wish to schedule and fill in the appointment information. A new option for calendars is the Export button at the top of the screen. Click this button to choose to export this calendar to PDF format. The Tasks quick link will open a list of tasks due today for the user who is signed in. You can filter the tasks that show by using the filter options. You can change the date range of tasks due to show future or past task dates. One feature that each table or list in Motility Anywhere offers is a customizable view of the table. Simply click the small button to the right side of a column header, hover over columns in the menu, and select or deselect the columns you wish to show in the table. Once you have it set the way that you want, you can choose to save the layout for yourself. This is a per-user setting. Now let's take a look at the CRM module. Click the Home button in the top left of the screen and choose CRM from the main menu. Other than the complete messaging section, all the CRM functions remain in this module. You can send new emails right from this screen using the Add New Message quick link. Use the Add New Entity option to add a new customer, or choose Prospect Reassignment to move prospects between employees quickly. Send surveys easily by using the Prospect Survey option, and shortcut to the unit inventory with that quick link. The Letter Writing quick link allows you to create material that you want to send to prospects and designate who it's for, just like in the remote desktop program. Your hot contacts, new contacts, people who need to be contacted, and a list of categories can be expanded or collapsed by clicking over the headers of the relevant boxes. A brand new feature in Motility Anywhere is the universal search in the upper left. Entering a search term here searches through a range of fields to find matches. If your search term is in an email address, someone's last name, and a company name, each of these matches will display in the results list. Once you've located the record that you want, double-click the row within the list to open the entity. As we covered in our earlier video, records are locked when you first access them. This helps solve the concern within the remote desktop program that users could not view a locked entity. With Motility Anywhere, users can view record information without worrying about someone else already having it open. If I need to change information, I can click either the lock itself or the Edit button to unlock the entity and allow me to make changes. This will help reduce the number of locked records within the program. As I scroll down the profile, notice the banner or bar that pops up at the top of the screen. This helps keep the most important information visible. For customers, this includes their name, phone number, and email address. The tab views are lower on the profile, and each tab that you have security access to view will show here. If there is a tab that you don't use and want to hide, click the small pencil icon to the right of the tabs. From this window, you can uncheck tabs that you don't want to show and reorganize tabs so they show in the order that you set. If you have many tabs, you can use the small arrow to scroll across them. We hope that you're as excited as we are about Motility Anywhere. Be sure to check out the next video in this series, Parts and Service.